I would like this on record that this is your fault that I am here. I am, in fact, at the range. Can you see it? There it is. My local range. Now this morning I had actually set out to be really productive. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, I'm gonna be doing some decluttering, I'm gonna be doing some clean with me videos, you know, preparing for autumn. I thought we could turn it into a series, that would be fun. And I woke up this morning and I was like, I can't be bothered to do any of that. So here I am, productively procrastinating going to the range. And that is entirely because I keep getting comments on every single video that I post about coming to the range. So I'm blaming you, okay? I'm blaming you. I have left my wallet at home, but I do have my phone with me just in case I see anything. I think it was if I leave my wallet behind, then I'm less likely to buy stuff. But I did just drop off 3 Vinted parcels because with the decluttering beginning, I'm selling off stuff and things sold and then I dropped it off. So I do have a bit more space and I do have a little bit more budget to spend. But I don't actually need any autumn stuff, but we'll see what happens. We will see where this video goes. I've had the week of craziness, I'm not gonna lie. There is a lot to catch you up on, but first of all, let's just go in the range, shall we? See what they got, because why not? Look at the size of this. Imagine this out in my garden. You're joking. Okay, autumn display in here. It's looking blooming lovely. If I was still into the farmhouse stuff, I would have nabbed this up. That's really nice. Don't know how much it is though. There's no price on that one, but we have got the amber pumpkin thing. I've seen this all over TikTok and that's actually really nice in person. It's $12.99 though. Oh, the top comes off. Oh, it's like, oh, that's broken, but it's like the Christmas tree one. Don't know if anyone remembers that. These are cute. Look at those. Potpourri. I wonder if it actually smells. Let's see what else we can find. Candles. Okay, more pumpkins and stuff. What's that? A make your own wreath kit. I mean, that image is not doing it any justice, but I think it's kind of cute. Have gold glass pumpkins. They're really nice. They kind of remind me of ones from TK Maxx. I got one that looks very similar to this, and when we take out my like decor from my decor cupboard, I'll show you that because that's really nice. These here. What is this? Autumn decorations, assorted box, £5.99. Little velvet pumpkins in there. Acorns. Cute. I like that. That's a nice little candle. This one. That's really, really nice actually. Is the candle nice in it though? I keep seeing really nice candles and then they stink. Let me smell it. It's okay. It smells clean, like it doesn't really smell pumpkin-y, it just smells clean. Doesn't say what type of candle scent it is. I'm not very good with scents. I always think it smells like something and then it's like something else, like literally crazy. Hello pumpkin. These are sweet. Are they glass? Yeah, they're glass. Look at those. Oh, the neon light. I feel like everybody has this on their coffee station at the moment. That's not a bit of me, but oh, actually the stuff in here is cute. I wonder if these smell like pumpkin. Let me sniff it. Yeah, they smell really, really good. Those are ones to look out for. $1.79. That's a really good price. Okay. An autumn notebook. I wouldn't have even thought about that. That feels very smooth. Is that $2.49? What are the pages like? They're okay. Oh, look. A whole extra aisle. Stop. You guys are right. Oh, they're putting out Christmas. Christmas. Okay, here's this. I think it's a doorstop. Feels like a doorstop. It feels a bit cheap, but I like it. I like it. Faux candles. This little cow babe. My mum would like that. She loves a Highland cow. And then, are these doorstops? Yeah, these are weighty. These are really good. $4.99. There's the top look. That looks pretty good as well. I like that. And then it's in green. Are you joking? I don't usually come to the range because they don't usually have that nice of stuff. But This is nice. What's that pumpkin basket? I wish they had a picture, but I assume that's going to have a stalk on. They're kind of attached so you can't see. It looks like there's a stalk in there, but that would be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, stalk. Bath mat, just in case you wanted an autumn bathroom. That's kind of nice. It's nice and soft. I think B&M did bath mats this year. I'm pretty sure I saw a white one in there anyway, but that was cuter being orange. Hey boo. Oh, that one's got embossed pumpkins on. That's nice. And then just a pumpkin. You guys saw my pumpkin doormat that I got from, what was that from? TK Maxx. $6.99 it was in there, but how much are they? $5.99. So it's not bad. She ain't bad. And then just some autumn crafty bits. Paint your own autumn candle kit. You can do that with acrylic paint. It's fine. Oh, do we have any more? No, that looks it just for the little section, but I do love that scarecrow guy. Oh look, I missed these wreaths. £40? No, that's a bit much for that. Oh, it actually is £40. No, that's bad. We can make one of those little picks. That's nice, but they're $2.99. A bit pricey. We'll skip on that. More. This is staff announcement, duty managers, customer service, that's duty managers, customer service. Thank you. Look at these. These are cute. Hopefully that manager call wasn't me and I'm going to get kicked out. That would be kind of sad. Paint your O's. These are nice. Great if you like minimal decor anyway, but obviously we can paint them up. They feel horrible. Little tiny pumpkins. You could definitely put these on an autumn wreath. They don't look the best, but from a distance they'll be okay. Oh, stop. This is adorable. $9.99 and you get little felt mice with pumpkins on their jumpers. Look at his little face. That's too cute. Anything else there? Lots of little autumn craft sets this year, so that's always cute. Look at this. Pumpkin patch paper with all the little designs. That's so cool if you like scrapbooking and everything. I don't, so I won't buy it, but it's cute. It's wooden toadstools. These are cute. Stop. This is definitely the best shop I've been in for autumn decor. Look at those beads. I don't bead because I'm actually really an impatient person and I feel like beading takes a lot of stuff. Okay, Halloween. Halloween now. I feel like Halloween and autumn are two different kettles of fish, aren't they? But they have cute Halloween stuff. Look at that. A folding crate with ghosts. Ghosts. And this. That's really, really cute. $6.99 for him. Not bad. And that is a bit of me. What is that grey one? Oh. More ghost. He looks like he's wearing sunglasses, but still cute. The autumn goes on. You're kidding. That's nice. It's got a little gold rim on it. Pretty. Oh, these are kind of like the anthropology dupe ones. Not as cute, but still fairly all right. And then garlands. So garlands, we have white pumpkins, green acorns. I don't like this one. I don't like that. And then this one here is leaves instead of the pumpkins. And these are all like $12 and $14.99. That's not bad. We can deal with that. These are nice. What are they? $5.99. That's a good price. All ghosties, but look at this. This could be good for the little autumn Halloween. Clean with me. Look. little tiny ghosts on sponges. I don't know how much these are, but look at that. They were just plonked there, just a whole load of them. There's nothing else like that. So maybe we'll come across another little cleaning bit. But what I did see over here was this. Make your own ghost punch needle cushion cover. That reminds me of the peppermint swirl one that I did before. So you just get a cushion cover in there, yarn, needles, embroidery hoop to help you do it, and the instruction sheet. That's quite good. $7.99. I think we could probably do it maybe a tiny bit cheaper if we went to the charity shop, but that seemed good. And then I saw these napkins. Imagine ghost decoupage. That's pretty cool. Look how cute the ghosts actually are. Adorable. And really £1. £1. And then we have usual, just normal Halloween type decor. I'll tell you what I'm actually after. It's like little mini like pumpkin buckets. You know, you get the ones for trick-or-treating, but I want ones kind of like this big. Someone told me that Poundland has them, but I don't know. I thought they might have something like that in here, but I haven't seen them. Christmas crafts. It's almost time. I'm trying not to look on Pinterest or anything like that. Look at this. That's too cute. I'm trying not to look at it, but you know, you just get distracted. I'm looking for anything else in the crafty section, but I'm not really seeing too much. I thought we'd have a quick look upstairs because sometimes they put seasonal stuff upstairs, and I am finding cushions and throws. So ghosty throw here. It's quite a bright green, but still cute little ghost. And then that one's cute with the beads, but they don't feel like nice fabric. They feel a bit cheap and scratchy. Look at that. I say cheap and scratchy, but that's actually really fun. And then the rest looks like they're putting out Christmas with a little bit of Halloween at the back over there. Sale summer, that's what we like to see. Adios, dear summer stuff. Christmas. Get a little bit of Halloween decor up here. See what they have, because it would be rude not to look through. I'm not too much into this sort of Halloween, but sometimes it's good to look for like DIYs and stuff, so we'll just see what they have. Oh, look at this. That's fun, like fake paper chains, but reusable ones. So I suppose you could put that outside because it's like plastic. That's fun. Kind of scary. This dude's sort of cute, but not really. It's fine. And then I'll see if they have any more Halloween down here, because I'm thinking that they might, because I see summer, and I think I've seen something about spooky Christmas. That's kind of spooky. Bedding. I didn't think to look for Halloween bedding. This is cute if you have a girl's room or a boy's room, whatever you want. And just some more autumny beds. Look at that, that's kind of really sad actually. It's so thin. This one's nice. Oh, this one's really nice. They have some gems in. Look at that. And it's got orange on the other side. That's quite nice. And then throw. It's got that fleecy stuff on the other side. Stop it. I just found these. These are really cute, aren't they? Tea light holders, but this one's a little spooky hat and a pumpkin on. I like that. None in there. Black and white little check pumpkins. They're cute. Oh gosh, there's a manager lady next to me. That's cute as well. I'm not going for a pink theme, but if someone is, that's good. $4.99. And again, that one, this is really sweet. That's more like me, to be honest. That one. That's like kind of usually as Halloween-y as I go, but still. Halloween and summer. Tiki and a hand. That just about sums up everything. Oh, and Christmas. That's how my mind feels right now. I'm really proud of myself, but I only bought a Pepsi Max, £1.35. That's a bargain. Do you know what? You guys were right. I take back everything I said. It was really bloody good in there. like really good. I'm sat in the car now, I'm absolutely baking. What? That's the best it's been in years. Like, I skip going to the range now, kind of autumn and Christmas time, because it's always been samey and it's always been like, I could probably just find better somewhere else. So I kind of forget that the range exists. And I see other people have all this stuff in their stores. I'm like, we never ever get it here. But actually, the stuff in there is really good. It was popping off. There were people blooming everywhere. Now, the staff in there today were putting out the Christmas stuff. I did feel like I was a little bit in their way, but we moved, you know. We saw the stuff and we came out victorious because we did not buy anything. And yeah, I feel really proud. I did say at the start of the video that I'll give you a little update. So since I've been on this week, it's been a week since I posted, it feels like a bloody lifetime because so much has happened in my real life that I can't even speak about. Like, there's legal matters involved and everything like that. I can't actually talk about it, which is absolutely crazy. But I got monetized this week back on the channel. So if you're seeing ads now, I'm actually going to get a cut of them and be paid for it. So that's really great. There's been ads playing on my videos anyway for like the past year, but I haven't made a single penny. In fact, I've probably lost money because I go out to shops and stuff like this, or I make stuff and I buy things and I buy craft supplies. But yeah, I am monetized. So thank you so much to all of you who have been watching recently, giving me comments, giving me likes, giving me all of the subscribing and all of that. It means the world, and I am monetized. I am going to be leaving my job in a couple of weeks' time. I'll keep you updated on that. It's not really by choice like that. I actually really enjoy the job that I have. It's just a retail job. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy the people I work with. They're great. They even watch my videos and they're like, oh, I see what you got in B&M. And I'm like, I forgot that these videos actually go public to real people. So there is that, and that's quite mortifying to think about. But everybody in my real life and my job and everything knows that I do YouTube as a job and as fun for the past year, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get a bit more consistent and get at it. So that's pretty much all the updates I think I have. I think there's probably some other things that I'll remember, but those were like the main points. One, I am monetized and I am so grateful to be monetized, and two, I'm going to be leaving my job. So that's not an update yet, but it is an update coming because that's definitely happening. Anyway, so I'm unsure what to do now. I might go home and I might start the autumn clean, preparing for autumn. The house needs a deep clean. We need to continue with the declutter, getting rid of things before I want to bring out my autumn decor. We'll decorate as well, not in this vlog obviously, but in another one. So maybe we'll do some cleaning and cleaning and decluttering. I also do want to repaint the house, but my house is mainly white, so it doesn't really look like decluttering. It's not the best content, but we can do that together, I suppose, if you want to see it. I'm happy to film it because why not? Let's have a chat. So yeah, my Pepsi Maxes are going now. I need to open up these windows, but I just thought I'd give you that little bit of an update before I drive home. So yeah, let's get on with the day.